Alright, y'all, an update in the winter wonderland. Look at all this, y'all. And it's still coming down. I'll get a measurement on it here in a minute. I got Bailey out here. She don't like it. Her belly's dragging the snow. Come on, Bailey. But I'll get a measurement in a second, y'all. All right, y'all, I'm back. Got Bailey in the house. Catfish mama would have loved this. We ain't had a big snow like this in quite a while. 5 inches, y'all, so far. 5 inches. And it's still coming down because, so it looks like they're going to hit out pretty good. They were saying 7 to 8 inches. Really be enjoying this if I just had Catfish mama with a show. Single digits tonight. That's gonna be rough. Take care, y'all. Go grab your spouses, your wife or your husband. Hug them, look them in their eyes, and kiss them, and tell them you love them for Catfish Terry and Catfish Mama, y'all. Yeehaw. Thanks for hanging out. Just checked, y'all. It's still snowing. 7.5 inches right now. And it's still coming down pretty good, y'all. So we are going to be 8+ by the time this whole deal's over. Biggest snow we've had in Middle Tennessee in quite a while, y'all. Probably thinking back when the boys was young, but going to be 8+ inches. And now we're dropping in the single digits tonight. Everybody hunker in. Be careful. Take your husband or wife, look them in the eyes, tell them you love them, and kiss them, y'all. Treat everybody the way you want to be treated. Yeehaw.